It's Mrs. Spall. Mrs. Rice and I wanted to give you some tips and tricks for keeping up with your English coursework. My number one tip is not to rely on the to-do list exclusively, and I'll show you why. When you go to your to-do list, it really only shows you assignments. And some of the things that your teachers post may not be assignments, and they're really important. So this is what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to go to the classes area, and especially in English, you're going to want to actually go to the classwork area. So every Monday morning, you're going to want to go to your English classwork page, and you're going to want to look for something called announcements and instructions. Mrs. Rice and I create a weekly video every week that explains what you're supposed to do. The other thing we do for you is we put it on a Google Doc, and we do this so that if you want to print it out and keep it by your desk, you'll know what you need to get done all week. And if you cross each of these things off, that's awesome. You would have completed every assignment. So another tip I want you to know is that if you come to an assignment that doesn't look quite right, or the instructions seem off, or something doesn't work, it might be off. As Mrs. Rice and I are learning all these new things as well, sometimes we make mistakes, and we really appreciate it when you let us know. And we really appreciate how so far everyone has been so nice about it. We're doing our best to push out fixes or workarounds and to grant you grace as well. So thank you for that. My final tip is this. I know that some of you have copied the Zoom link onto a document, and that's great. That's a great strategy. However, in English, what we need you to do is go to classwork and actually find the Zoom link every week before you attend the meeting, and I'll show you why. So oftentimes on our Zoom link, we also include, you see right here, Thursday Zoom meeting, we also include documents that you need for the Zoom session. So if you're just using a link that's somewhere on another Google Doc, you're actually missing out on some important information. So you're going to want to find the Zoom link under classwork each week to see if there's any materials that you need to have open before we start class. And then that way, during our Zoom meetings, we can get a lot more done and you won't feel lost because you'll have the instructions in front of you. And remember, you can always reach out to us if you have a question. We're literally paid to help you. Have a great week.